All right, in this video, I want to show you how to customize the forms on your partner page. So we've already seen that there are 4 milestone forms to track milestones among your disciple makers. This one here in the featured topics module, and then the 3 in the pursuit. When they get started with the pursuit, when they're done with topic 6 in the pursuit, and when they're done with topic 12 in the pursuit. Now, the other thing you can track on your page, if you choose to, is mentor requests. And so on the front page for the users in your ministry, this is what they will see. When they click on one of these, it will bring them to your form. Now, here's what the form will look like to you on the back end. Okay, this is a Google form, and I want to show you just real quickly how to manage these. Let's do the milestone log first. Now, this will be owned by you. As soon as you create a partner page, we will create these 2 forms for you. And so you want to make sure that you know how to do a few things with Google Forms, and I'll show you that right now. This form will be set up for you with these 4 questions ready to go. The milestone, the group size, names and emails, and if they have any feedback for you. Now, to get rid of any of these, if you want to get rid of the feedback form, just click on that section right there and hit delete. But you can also add your own. So if you want to add your own module in this form, click over here and add a question. When you add that question, let's say we're going to say which campus. And we're going to make this one a multiple choice. So we're going to say north, south, east, west. I'm going to make that a required question. And let's say that I want to move that question up north just a little bit. I'm going to move that right here. So that gives you a quick idea of how you can customize this form. Now, the second thing I want to show you is how to view the responses in the spreadsheet. So at the top of this form, again, we're just looking at this on the back end. We're going to click on responses, and there are no responses so far for this form, but I'm going to go ahead and create a spreadsheet by hitting this little green icon. I'm going to create a new spreadsheet. It's going to be called Milestone Log, and I'm going to hit create. Now, I want you to notice that it automatically pulls in all of the columns or modules that were existing in the form. Now, I want to show you how this spreadsheet populates when the form is filled out by someone in your ministry. So let's go to the front end of the form. This is what people will see if they click on the milestone. And we're going to say that we started featured topics, that the group size is 1-on-1, that we're from the South Campus, and we're going to go ahead and just put in a dummy name right here. I'll go ahead and put feedback text here, and I'm going to click submit. A couple things. You notice it says your response has been recorded. I'll show you how you can change that. But from the back end, or on the back end, this is what you'll see. It tells you when it was filled out. I like to make that a little smaller. It tells you the milestone. It tells you the group size, the campus, the names and emails. I'll probably make this one a little bit bigger, and I'll make the feedback section bigger as well. So you notice that every time this milestone log gets filled out, we'll just do it one more time. Submit another response. This time, topic number 1, let's say. Group size was 1-on-1 again. Campus, let's say, is north this time. Test again. We're not going to give feedback this time. Again, you notice how quickly it fills in the form. So the beauty of this is it allows you to track the follow-up workflow of your staff. So the idea is you make sure that the staff is notified anytime this form is filled out so that they can follow up appropriately. And I'll talk about that more in the next video. Let's go back to the form, and I want to show you a couple more things here. So this is the back end of the form itself, and you'll notice we can click on responses here. And the beauty of this is it gives you a summary of the responses. So we can see over time how many people are hitting these milestones, how big the group size is, and what the campus layout looks like. Now, the names and emails are going to just be listed, so over time that's not going to be as useful right here. But these little charts and graphs are really helpful to track kind of the overall picture of your church or your ministry. Now, I want to show you how to receive a notification. So if you want to get notified through your Gmail address, you click on the three dots over here. We need to be on the Responses tab. Click on the three dots, and you want to get email notifications for new responses. When you click on that, then the email address that you're logged into will receive notifications. And so that's how you make sure that you don't miss anything when responses are coming in. One more thing, let me show you how to organize this in your Drive. So you'll notice that Milestone Log, the responses spreadsheet, is with the green icon. And the form itself, if you want to edit that form, is the purple icon. You'll want to do the same thing for your mentor requests. Edit that form before you make it official and start taking mentor requests. And then make sure to create a responses sheet for the workflow follow-up for your staff. Again, I'll get into that in the next video.